Hi 7SX, I am Miss Legg. I'm going to be your form tutor, but I'm also a history teacher here at Dormston. This will be my first year here, but I did do my training back in September until December in 2019. So a bit about me, I live with my very energetic 14-week-old puppy, and in our spare time we go on nice walks, I read books, I go to the gym, I watch rubbish TV, and I am guilty of doing lots of online shopping. That being said then Year 7, I am really excited to welcome you into my form group. You'll be a very special form group as you'll be my first, and that's really exciting for me, but hopefully also for you. I wish you a lovely summer ahead. I understand it will be a nerve-wracking prospect for you starting secondary school, but I really want you to see it as an exciting experience. So have a lovely summer, and I will see you in September. Okay, so Year 7, we would like to know a little bit more about you. Please use the This Is Me sheet to tell us a little bit about yourselves. You can find a copy of it in the section of the website, but you do not have to print this off. You can make your own version of this if you prefer, and please could you bring it in ready for the first day back. At this stage of the PowerPoint, you are going to find out a little bit more about the school. So Mr. Dixon has already spoken to you about each of these. I want you to reflect on the activities that you have already done in your Be Awesome, Go Big booklet and think about how these link to our core values. Our core values are really important to all of us and we should try to demonstrate these both in and outside of the school whenever we get the chance. Here we have then the people here to help you. So obviously you've got me as your form tutor, there's the head of house, the deputy head of house and the leads, and there is also a student leadership team. I would just like you to familiarise yourself with the names so you know who are there to help you in September. Just to let you know that all of the information we are giving you and much more will be shared on the Dormston website so your parents and carers can be informed of everything they need to know. Here at Dormston we run a 2-week timetable, so this just means that each week you will have different lessons on a 2-weekly basis. Your timetable will be recorded on Go for Schools and in your planner so you will have access to it at all times. If you look at the slide then you will see the timetable of a normal school day. So at 8:40 you report to form tutor for registration in our form room. Here you will do the register before you go to your first lesson at 8:45. As you see there are 2 lessons before break time, and then you have a 15-minute break, have 2 more lessons before lunchtime, have a 40-minute lunch, and then have your period 5 at 2 o'clock till 3. So that is your stay at Dormston from September. At Dormston, we expect all pupils to be prepared for success. This means that everyone has disruption-free learning and can learn to the best of their ability in each of their lessons. At Dormston, then your responsibility is to be prepared for success when you arrive into school and to each lesson. We expect you to support each other to achieve your individual successes too. We want you to ensure that the learning environment is always conducive to successful outcomes and be successful in your appearance. Please see this poster which gives you an insight of what we mean by being prepared for success, how we can do this around school, in the community, between yourselves and your peers and in lessons. So before you come to Dormston, I think it's really important that you have an understanding of our school rules. So with your mobile phones, they must be taken to pupil reception each morning before school. With equipment then, what are the essentials? You will definitely need a pen, pencil, ruler, rubber, sharpener, calculator, and on the days of PE or other specific equipment, so maybe for food, you will need to bring that equipment for the lessons you have on the day. You will need a reading book because we do lots of reading in form time. You have student planners which will be given to you in September, and in this planner will be where you record your homework, but also staff will put it on Go for Schools. Being prepared for school is our first way to be prepared for success. Go for Schools then gives you and your parents or guardians access to the information about your education. This could be your timetable, homework, behaviour records, attendance, target grades, and once you have joined, you will be given your access codes to the online system. I appreciate that we have given you lots of information in this PowerPoint, but if you take anything out of it, just remember to ask someone if you need help, be prepared for success, don't forget to be yourself, try not to be so nervous, be positive, don't follow the crowd, share your talents, show you're an individual, treat others as you want to be treated yourself, but most of all, just do the best that you can. That's it then from me, Year 7. Have a lovely summer and I will see you all in September.